What's going on, guys? Dan Kale here with Liquidation Pros, and in this video I'm going to open up and unbox this pallet number 3 of Amazon liquidation items. We've already done the 1 and 2. We're unloading those now. For number 3, we are going to rip this bad boy open and see what we got. I've already cut it, and this is packed full of stuff. So just to give you a little idea of what's in there, so some toys, some games, some baby stuff, premium beauty organization kit, gloves, desk lamp, so a little bit of everything, some bedding. I've been getting a lot of this bedding. If you haven't checked out the other videos, go back and watch. I'll have them linked below, pallet number 2 and pallet number 1. But this will be a quick unboxing of this stuff, and then later on I'll have a more detailed unboxing once we get everything inside, if you guys are interested in that. So thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the bell, subscribe, and place any comments or questions you have below. But I'm gonna set the camera up so you guys can see some of the stuff that we have here. All right, guys, let's see what we have in pallet number 3, Amazon liquidation lot that I got. As you've seen in the other videos, a ton of these table tennis games. I believe there's 40 some of those. A desk lamp. This is some sort of premium beauty organization set, and I've kids toy. I've had a few of these already. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers game or toy. Ultrasonic oil diffuser. Twist pouches. Fantasy food game. Utopia bedding, we have a bunch of that already. Let's see what we have here. Snugglepedic, queen size. It's like a memory foam pillow, I believe. Let's see what else we have. Let's get these out. A bunch more of the Franklin table tennis games. And most of this is all brand new, sealed condition. Some of it is damaged, like as you can see, like this box has a cut in it, but it doesn't look like it actually went through the box, and it's still in new condition. So great for eBay. Avino baby. There's a nice colander. What else we got? Now, these cool. I actually have one of these for the grill. You put like seasoned vegetables and then drop it right on the grill. They work really well. Some of this stuff will be like flea market, yard sale, cheaper stuff, like these bags, big bags, you know, they're a couple bucks a piece. You could also lot them up and sell like a 3-pack. That works well. Oh, heavy duty HDMI cable. So this is a 100-foot cable. So this is probably at least 50 bucks. I'll have to look it up. But 100-foot cables are expensive. More of these cups. They're pretty cheap. Here's a couple small items. There's a clock in there, a few other Keurig pods, pens. There's a square reader. Not sure what the value is on those. Probably at least 20 bucks. I'll have to look that up. And like I said, what I'm doing is I just have a little box here that I am just sorting stuff in. No particular order. We will sort it again later. The goal is to get this all inside, get it out of the weather elements before it gets dark, and then go through it in a little bit more detail. All these boxes here, these Amazon boxes, are going to be full of stuff. See these back here, but I'm not going through those now. You'll have to check back later. I'll do another video of opening up some of those, because I have a feeling there's supposed to be some other higher dollar items that I haven't seen yet. For instance, there's supposed to be an iPad mini in here somewhere, and I haven't seen that. So these are all actual what's the name of this brand? E-Tech City, I think. Yeah, E-Tech City. Those are all digital scales, brand new. So let me keep going here. This is the damp rid bags that you would like put in your basement to reduce moisture. So probably not too much money there. There's a couple of them though. These are probably good for selling locally, like the flea market or yard sales. I've seen this before. We've had Shiatsu 3D rotating massager. I think this is a decent brand, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I'll have to look these up. But there's another one there. And another one here. So that's 3 of those right there. A bidet, like a attachment you can add to your toilet for a bidet. There's like a million little rubber duckies in here. That's pretty interesting. Those are the medical gloves. This is a Thunderbolt HDMI phone cable. Another desk lamp. I've had a couple of these, so hopefully those do well online. They're pretty lightweight. Doesn't seem like they'd be much to ship. A couple more table tennis games. Oh, cool. This is I actually have one of these Dymo 4XL, or actually it's the 450, I'm sorry. The label writer printer. So these are good for Amazon labels. I may keep this as a secondary. Having a second unit could definitely help speed up our processes, because I do have 3 computers that we use, so I may think about keeping that. We'll have to see. These go for, I believe, it's brand new like this one is, sealed. I believe like around 70 bucks for that. So that's a pretty good item there, and they sell good. Construction paper, that's obviously pretty cheap. Probably give that to the kids. This is some sort of shower hanging rack system. Pretty cheap, I'm sure. And then a couple more of these cups. But then if you look here, these are the E-Tech City digital body weight scale. I'm not sure the value of these off the top of my head, but you know, probably 15-20 bucks, and there's a whole stack of them right here. So that's pretty awesome. I'll throw them over here. Put that up a little more. These are like little pet beds. I had a bunch of these already. I'm sure they're only worth a couple bucks. And I have no idea what's in here. That'll be a mystery box for later. And what we'll do is maybe we'll do some, maybe we could do like a mystery box giveaway. Because I know there's supposed to be an iPad in here somewhere. Maybe we could do like one of these boxes full, and I'll just, to a lucky subscriber, I'll do a giveaway. If that's a good idea, comment down below. Maybe we can do a giveaway and just do a random box, and then I have no idea what's in it, and hopefully you get lucky and get some good stuff. But as you can see, there's like tons of these boxes in here. These are all, they're all going to be like mystery box openings, and I'll do videos for those on YouTube. Show you guys what I got. But right now I just want to get the big stuff out and get this all inside. That way I can work on it a little bit better. Ultrasonic humidifier. I believe I already have one of these. Yeah, it's over there. So this is the second one of those I've got. Cases of Ziploc bags. So check that out. Brand new Ziploc big bags. Cases of them. 4 to 5 count. What else we have here? Air fryer accessory. And it's just so much stuff, guys. Pet safe carbon filters. Put that in the Smalls box. A lounge and sit and float seat by Intech. More Aveeno products. Aveeno sells really good. I'm glad to see that. More bedding. Trying to see if there's anything else. Oh, cool. This is cool. Brand new Magic Bullet. So these, I believe, I want to say 50 bucks probably. Brand new set. Bamboo drawer organizer. Sleep bumpers for kids. That's pretty cool. Here's some filters. Guys, there's just so much stuff in here. It's unbelievable how much inventory I just got. So, and like I said, if you haven't seen, go check out the other 2 videos. This is part 3. So basically the 3rd box. The other 2 boxes I went into a little bit more depth of opening them up. At this point now, I've been going at this for about 2.5 hours, and I'm at the point where I need to speed this up and get everything inside. So there'll be plenty more videos coming. Make sure, like I said, you're subscribed so you can see those. If you like watching these Amazon unboxing videos. Now this, as a reminder, this is all Amazon products that were in their warehouse. It's considered Amazon overstock. So a lot of it's been brand new, but a lot of it has like this one, damaged packaging. So this is a what brand is this? Purellis. It's like a bath and body set. That's a pretty nice little gift set there. Another digital scale, and then holy smokes, guys! From here down is all those digital scales. So hopefully these guys are worth some money. But you see this here? That goes all the way down to the bottom of the pallet. So there's probably another 30 of those. There looks like there's a couple more here. That's something else. Oh cool, that's a record. The Beatles, Abbey Road. Nice. That's all sealed up, brand new. That's cool. I wonder if I should open that. I guess it doesn't matter if I open the cardboard box, right? Sorry about moving you guys around. Let's go ahead and look and see what this is. It says Beatles Abbey Road. There it is. So, not real sure the value of this record, but it is brand new sealed. That's pretty cool. Pretty neat find there. And with this being over 500 different types of items and over 1,000 units, I didn't have the time to look. Like, I didn't look through every single product and research it. I looked at a couple of the majority of the load and said, okay, based on these like top 10 selling products, I should make pretty decent money. And then the rest of the stuff we have to figure out what we're going to do with. But in the last pallet, I got over 50 Omron blood pressure monitoring systems, like the test units, and those sell for around 40 to 50 bucks a piece. Well, I have 50 of those. So that right there is over $2,000 in inventory. But what's left is mainly like big box stuff. I'm not seeing heavy duty cutlery forks. There's the fantasy food game. Look at all this bedding here. And then I have all these, like what I'm considering Amazon mystery boxes, because these are literally Amazon overstock boxes. And we can open one up just to give you an idea. Let's open this one up. Give me 1 second here to move you guys around. All right, so this is the Amazon. This is what I'm talking about. I have no idea what's in these boxes. I'm gonna flip you down there and you're gonna find out with me. So this is one of about, I don't know, 30 or 40 of these that I have, and it's just packed full of stuff. So Lysol, magnetic car mount, Amazon iPod charging cables. Here's some brand new headphones. So I think these boxes here are going to have a lot of the higher dollar good stuff. They kind of are packed a little bit better. There's another one of those lights in there. So it's just tons and tons of inventory, guys. It's going to take us a while to go through all this stuff. But I have, as you can see, a ton of those Amazon boxes to go through. So I think I'm going to wrap this video up. As you can see, I have a massive pile here. Another massive pile of stuff over here. And then all this stuff to still unload. So hope you liked the video. Like I said, make sure to like and subscribe. I will be putting out more videos about this load of Amazon overstock. So thanks, and talk to you guys later, and see you down in the comments. Bye.